It does seem increasingly that China is going to stay pretty much closed. I mean, there were some frightening numbers coming out just earlier this week of the sorts of anticipated numbers of cases if they did start opening up. So, like even the UK had done, talking hundreds and hundreds of thousands of cases a day. And if that's the thinking in Beijing, then there's obviously considerable reluctance to be moving anywhere in the near term. And by the near term, I mean probably even by the middle of next year. And of course, China has a massive impact on this region in terms of travel. So if they're not going to move, then this region in particular does suffer. So I don't see China opening up in any substantial way before at least before the middle of next year.
Peter, how much are the airlines that operate in big, strong domestic markets like the United States, for example, how much more shielded are they than, say, the ones that are very vulnerable and are very exposed to the international markets?
Yeah, that's the key question, Mandy. I think the airlines that do have domestic markets, who aren't reliant on international borders, are the ones which are going to be much stronger. And we've seen that this year with the US carriers rebounding for Thanksgiving right up to sort of 2019 levels or even better. And having a domestic market is definitely going to be a massive advantage for airlines for the future too. For at least another year. You see, although having said that, you see in Australia that we have our own little domestic international markets where different states open up and don't open up. But that is starting to change now too. And I think, for example, Qantas, as a result of that, will do pretty well as things move along. But yeah, anyone who's operating long-haul international operations is going to be in trouble.